The whole thing off the side, and I was able to, because it came down a little bit, and I was able
Well,
to
that's
take it
good.
off without endangering my life.
Too much, right?
Something happens, you know.
Yeah.
Roper
So
was,
let's go down this again. So
well,
the eggs go on the stove. You go to take a nap.
no, I didn't go to take a nap. I go to watch Jeopardy.
Yes.
And I had my book. I was reading in between.
The nap was just an incidental.
And I always go to nap when I have to watch Jeopardy because, you know,
Understood.
it just dulls my brain. But anyway.
And then
And then this horrible sound. Oh,
terrible.
God.
Yes.
I thought the whole town was on fire or something.
Outstanding. And then, well, where did the noise come from?
Yeah, that was the thing.
Yes, indeed. A smoke detector. Boy.
It was working.
It did what it's supposed to do. Good stuff. And it's not the one that was in the kitchen, thank goodness. It was the one out here in the hall. So anyway, so you have to go get the ladder, and you have to climb the ladder to get the smoke detector. And luckily there was a stick there to knock it off.
Yeah. Well,
Yes,
I
good.
have a little mop thing that I had. Was
Very
able
good.
to take out. Then I just lightly poked at it.
Poked
and
at it.
Came off the nail and stopped about that time.
Mystery solved.
Yeah.
Good going. All right, team effort. Well, let's get the smoke
in the meantime,
detector.
I turned off the eye and pulled the pot off the burner.
Yes, which was by now pretty much a molten charred
it
cinder.
was a molten. It was like the Vesuvius. It was like Mount Etna exploding right
Let's
there.
go. Krakatoa.
Yeah. Krakatoa.
So the boiled eggs were no longer of consumable nature.
No,
Yes.
you couldn't tell that they really had been egg.
Son of
Except
a.
they were spattered on against the cupboard and under the hood of the stove and all that stuff.
God, they just don't make eggs like they used to.
That's right.
Okay then.